I pray for the electric blue crescendo of a jagged, mind-blowing, fuse-popping, spine-severing 80-megaton thunderclap. The Arctic burn of ozone in my nostrils. The fuel-injected adrenaline jump-starting my nervous ticks and twitches. Let the turbine wind play deathmatch frisbee with dish antenna. Let the purple dark beer belly of the storm sky spill its guts, dump thunderloads of cue balls down in torrents to ricochet off the cars and chase me like a hunted jackrabbit down Tornado Alley. You see, I'm just lying here on the couch of inaction, the living dead. My stereo predicting a bad moon rising and me leading a freaking storm.